Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to turn on the sink. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome to a new edition of Useless Tutorials. Before we get into the video, I just want to invite you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on social media. Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about turning on the sink to release water. This is a very important process for your personal hygiene, be it hands, be it teeth, be it other body parts in general. Water is always going to be good for cleaning up body parts. But how do you get water out of the sink? How do you turn on this sink? Let me show you. So, just to give you guys a rundown of what we're looking at, we have three parts here. We have lever number 1 and lever number 2 and this faucet right here. So basically, these two control the influx of water, and this is actually where it is released in this faucet. So as you can see, this lever in the back here, this is for hot water. And it'll have a red dot here to signify that it's hot water. Hot water is usually very, very high in temperature, and you have to be careful with it because you could get burned skin if you just use it too much. And the one to the right here is actually the cold water lever. You also have to be careful with the cold water. Cold water is usually very low in temperature, so if you have a lot of very freezing water or very cold water, you could actually hurt your skin as well. So bottom line, these two can hurt your skin if you're not careful. Thankfully, with these kinds of sinks, the water temperature isn't very extreme, so what you can do is just use the cold water lever to actually get some water out, which is what I'm going to teach you guys to do right now. So to turn on the sink, you actually have to pull each of those two levers, or any of these two levers in any combination you want, towards you. So what you want to do is you want to grab your hand and actually place it on top of one of the levers. I'm going to use the cold water lever for this example, and you want to push it towards you. So this actual handle right here, this is perfect for the hand. You can just make a fist inside of it and pull it towards you and watch what happens. Water starts coming out, right? You can do the same thing with this other lever here, and guess what? Water will come out as well. Now, in order to get very hot water, you need to actually let this run for a little bit, and the water will actually change temperatures. Then to close it, it's very simple. You see me do it. You just push it back to where it was. Very, very simple. So to repeat, you just grab, you pull the lever towards you to release water, and you push it back to stop the water. All right, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please let me know of other tutorials you would like to see done on this channel. Thanks for watching. This has been Useless Tutorials. I'll see you next time.